Welcome to another review. Today we are looking at the Belkin Lightning Audio Plus Charge Rockstar. So with this we should be able to use the Lightning earphones with the iPhone while charging the iPhone through the Lightning adapter. It's compatible with all iPhones with Lightning, and it's made by Belkin and sold at Apple. So let's unbox. So all there is just this instruction sheet. You can use both for charging or Lightning audio, so it doesn't matter which port you use, so they should be identical. Looks like this. The packaging is easy to open, so that's a advantage. Let's see if it works. Oh, there's another plastic film. So here's the iPhone. Let's plug it in, and then this is the charger. So you have to unlock the phone to use the adapter. So it's now unlocked. Now plug in the charging port here, and I also have the Lightning earphones. Let's find out if it charges. Yep, so the charge is working. Let's see if the earphones are working. I'll play a podcast. Yes, it's working. So that was the quick unboxing of the Belkin Lightning Audio Plus Charge adapter. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.